Hello, guys. Today we are going to build a doorbell.
Yes, a very good one.
So first, you place a button here. And then you will put redstone dust here. And then you'll put repeaters. Then redstone here. And then, don't mind that. And then you place gold blocks here. Then no blocks on top. So this is 9, and then this is 5. Oops. It should work like that. So put it onto the second delay. And grab some grass. And fill it up. Well, yeah, so if it doesn't work like that, you have to use a different block to fill up the front. So let's use stone and slab. Then we place it like that, skipping this part. So then we have that there. Here's some more. Literally, we don't need these stone buttons, but you could use stone buttons as rocks if you need.
Now let's test the doorbell.
This is a good doorbell. I promise it's really good.
Now let's test it.
Let's test it now. It's a good one. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe.